Okay, guys, say hello. You're on YouTube.
Seriously? Last time I watched one of your YouTube videos, like, you can barely hear what the other person was saying.
Okay, that's because Connor's microphone was retarded, and for some reason my computer didn't pick it up.
Because your computer's retarded.
Just because we're on YouTube right now, I'm gonna fucking play so bad.
Timmy, that's normal.
Oh!
My next target is Lux.
Connor, I feel like you're just gonna kill everyone from the back.
How do I Janna? Holy shit, what is happening?
There's no recall.
Yeah. Get that singed.
Wow.
Janna.
Oh.
Janna, heal. Heal, Janna. Janna.
I don't heal. I don't do that.
Janna, heal.
Janna, heal.
I'm not using my ultimate to heal you, faggot.
Janna, heal.
Janna, heal.
Janna, heal. Sounds like we're saying Jonah Hill.
Jonah Hill.
Do. Run in the middle of the team and start ulting, but get knocked up, so it doesn't work.
Finally, a good ultimate. Finally, a good ultimate.
Oh, is it ult time? Yes, it is ult time, and there's no one in my ults.
Sorry about that. Don't worry, guys. I'm here to push him to the tower. Fuck.
It's okay,
They're out of
guys. I'm
range.
here to kill this one person.
Did you guys see that?
Nobody saw that. It's okay.
Stop killing people. I'm a pacifist,
Timmy,
guys.
ult. Go in there. Ult. What?
Kills you through the ult.
Through Singe.
Oh,
this.
look at all that damage. What
Oh,
are you
man. Oh, man.
Entire towns have been wiped out. Hurricane
Janna.
Said best assassin in the game. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that damage. Yes, go tornado. Oh my god. That bird though. That bird though. Alright, kill Singe.
I'm coming to save you guys, though.
Yes, I killed Singe.
looting was everywhere.
It's too much damage. Ciao.
Silly.
Dude, I got this.
No.
No! End it!
Oh shit.
Ah! Oh! Shit! No, guys, no! Timmy, end it! No, alright, go, just go!
Don't end it, don't end it,
Suicide!
don't end it.
Suicide!
Suicide,
No,
suicide.
do it. You're not even Asian! You don't even suicide! What the fuck are you doing?
Suicide, no!
Oh.
Timmy, gay. Hey.
Oh my god.